Hey guys, welcome back to Learn Gujarati. Our today's first word is for. In Gujarati, we say, any guesses? Correct. Mate. If you see, for other three words we have common in those words is mate. See, mate. So let's see all words one by one so you can get better idea. For. In Gujarati, we say mate, mate. For me. So for me, mara mate. Okay. Me in Gujarati we say mara. Me in Gujarati we say mara. For us, amara mate. Okay. Amara mate. If it is me, then we should say mara mate. Only for me. For us, for us in Gujarati we say amara માટે amara માટે. For them, તેમના માટે. Okay, for them in Gujarati we say તેમના માટે. તેમના માટે. I am repeating. For માટે, just માટે. Okay. For me, મારા માટે, મારા માટે. For us, અમારા માટે, અમારા માટે. For them, તેમના માટે. For them, તેમના માટે, તેમના માટે. Okay. માટે, મારા માટે, અમારા માટે, તેમના માટે. Now let's understand all this word one by one with sentence. First one is for. In Gujarati we say માટે. So here we have beautiful sentence. This is for my mother. This is for my mother. Okay. મારા મા માટે છે. Or માતાજી. Or yeah, I think ma is okay. For mother in Gujarati we say ma. Okay. For mother in Gujarati we say ma. So for this in Gujarati we say if I am pointing something. Mara. Okay. For mara, I mean for my in Gujarati we say mara. For mother we say ma. Okay. And માટે છે. Okay. For in Gujarati we say માટે. So now this word will be more clear for you. Okay. For in Gujarati we say માટે. This is for my mother. મારા મા માટે છે. Okay. મારા મા માટે છે. So this is now better and very clear. Let's go to another word is for me. For me in Gujarati we say મારા માટે. Okay, because I am talking about for me. મારા માટે. Now let's see the sentence. Very beautiful sentence we have now. Gift મારા માટે છે. This gift is for me. This gift is for me. Okay, as we know, for this in Gujarati we say Okay, very simple, because we are pointing out something you simply say a. Gift remains gift, but if you want to say particular word, then it is ભેટ. Okay, if I want to say આ ભેટ મારા માટે છે, then you can say ભેટ. A very real word of Gujarati for gift is ભેટ. મારા માટે, okay, for me, for me. Okay, and to complete sentence we use છે. આ ભેટ મારા માટે છે. આ ભેટ or આ gift મારા માટે છે. મારા માટે. Okay, for me in Gujarati we say મારા માટે. Next word is for us. For us. In Gujarati we say અમારા માટે. For us in Gujarati we say અમારા માટે. This food is for us. This food. આ જમવાનું. You know, right? For food in Gujarati we say જમવાનું. Food in Gujarati we say જમવાનું. જમવાનું. અમારા માટે છે. For us. And to complete sentence we use છે. આ જમવાનું અમારા માટે છે. Okay, this food is for us. For this we'll say આ food we say જમવાનું. For us. For us. You know, many people like 2 3 we are friends, family, we are going somewhere, and I want to say this food is for us, then I will say in Gujarati is આ જમવાનું અમારા માટે છે. Okay, for us in Gujarati we say અમારા માટે. અમારા માટે. Next one is for them. Okay, તેમના માટે. તેમના માટે. I'm pointing out someone, like a group of few people, and I want to say for them I will say તેમના માટે. Okay, તેમના માટે. So here we have very pretty sentence. This room is for them. This room is for them. So it's very simple. You see, guys, forget about the sentence. I swear, just it's very simple for you now to understand that word, because the sentence also short and meaningful, that you can get it very easily. Our room, this room, okay, તેમના માટે છે. For them. It's very simple. Okay, for for this we say a room. Again, we'll definitely will say room only, but a particular word if you are looking for room, in Gujarati we say ઓરડો. 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 Okay, it's not ordo, it's ordo. The, you have to sound the, not the. Okay, ordo. This room, આ room, તેમના માટે. For them. For them in Gujarati we say તેમના માટે. Okay, like for example, we have some couple of friends with us, and I am saying this room is for us and that room is for them. Yeah, this is very good sentence. Let me try. This room is for us, that room is for them. So like, let's say we are two group of people and going somewhere, and we are pointing out room and saying this sentence, then in Gujarati I'll say this room is for us. So this is very similar. આ room અમારા માટે છે. You remember? For us. In Gujarati we say amara mate. And for them, simply our room. Okay, because no, here we have that. So pelo room. If I'm pointing another uh, another room or some thing, something, and like I'm pointing out to people, for this we say a, and for that we in Gujarati we say pelo. Okay, pelo room. Okay, it depends, if because here room, that's why pelo. If here something like a pencil, sorry, that pencil, then I will say peli. Okay, peli, peli, pelo. Now here, because it's room, I will say pelo room amara mate છે. Okay, sorry, તેમના માટે છે. For us, we'll say amara mate. For them, we'll say તેમના માટે. પેલો રૂમ તેમના માટે છે. So I hope this is very easy for you to understand. And see, that's why I'm in between. If you see, I'm taking different kind of words and sentences just to make you clear about it. So I guess we have covered all the words. If you want, I can repeat. For mate, for me, mara mate. For us, amara mate. For them, temna mate. So this is all about our today's session, my dear friends. We'll meet again with a new video. Till then, subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video, share with your friends and family. Take care, bye bye, and Jai Sri Krishna.